Hello, and welcome back. I have in front of me a cost-reduced Vic-20 board. It is smaller. It is. And going for the big chip. That's the one I think I've got aimed right on the middle there. The iron is hot. Now this is a 40-pin chip. It's kind of turned in a different configuration than most anything else. So it's hard not to get it right. It is hard. It's funny, the bottom of this board is like the ground area. It's kind of, I guess, the protection on it is kind of crinkly. You know, I'm going to use this technique that I used on the last one. These pins look pretty okay. But I'm putting it on a bit of an angle, waiting till I see things kind of move, putting it in an upright position, and pressing the button. Remember, this is a 40-pin chip. 20 on each side. And wouldn't it be magical if it just ended up being this chip? Because then I could socket it and everything would be tickety-boo. All right. This is looking remarkably good. But always gotta do your best to remain on task, on target, and keep up the timing and the quality of, well, that looks pretty fine. Oh yeah, I can see when I hold it to the light. Wow, it's looking good in the neighborhood. Well, see, this is going to be challenging to get out because it's in this little box. Now, could I take the little box off? I suppose I could. But I'm not going to. Because this is going well. And of course, the FCC wants that little box there. Who am I to argue with the FCC? All right, I gotta go back to this configuration because it went so well before. All right, lean. Sorry, make contact. Lean. See it melt. Suck it out. Lean. Get the pin going. See it melt. Slight pause. Suck it out. This one. Oh, there we go. See it melt. Suck it out. Going well. This could be remarkably well. I pause in between each one because I would think that the iron, oh yeah, the little red light goes on and off because every time you suck, it might lose a little bit of heat. So I pause. Oh yeah, the light is on. The light is off. I've never really looked at that. I just figured it was the thing to do. This is really cooking away. Mind you, I don't know if up above there is any one pin that's going to be on a big ground bus. I don't know. But so far, it's looking mighty fine. Melt. Okay, last one. Melt. Twist. Oh, not the last one. One more. Maybe this is going to be the challenging one. On a bus or something. I don't know. Twist. Boom. Suck. Wow. Well, let me look to the light. Wow. It actually looks quite wonderful. Like, I'm even tempted at this moment to take this screwdriver and give a little pry. Oh! And then go to the other end. Oh man, this is tough. It's really tough to get into these things. And I don't like doing that. Oh, it's almost falling out. It's almost just falling out. This is beautiful. I just gotta get this. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh. I don't know. There's a thing there that was full, and I thought, oh no, what have I done? But it's not part of the chip. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's beautiful. 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 And here is the chip. It's out. Okay. I'm not sure about memory. I'm not sure about power. I am going to turn this off. And I think next time I'm going to put this chip in another Vic-20 and see what we see. And I'm hoping it fails. I really am. I don't like bad chips, but I like to find them when I want to find them. And I would like to think 90%. 90%. Anyway, thanks for coming. See you again soon. Bye for now.